The Testo 310 is a flue gas analyzer for use in commissioning and servicing domestic boilers. To carry out a flue gas measurement with the Testo 310, turn the instrument on and make sure the flue gas test icon is selected at the top of the screen. Then let the 310 zero the gas sensors with the probe in fresh air. While the sensors are zeroing, which takes 30 seconds, you can choose the fuel type. Press Set, which is the right-hand orange button, and then scroll through the list of fuels. Select the required fuel and let the analyzer finish zeroing. Now you can put the probe in the flue. Press Start to begin taking a measurement. The pump starts running, indicated by the icon at the top left of the display. The analyzer is now measuring the flue gases. The display shows ratio and carbon monoxide. Using the up and down arrow keys, the display can be configured to show any parameter such as carbon dioxide, excess air, efficiencies, flue temperature, or oxygen. A useful feature of the 310 is that when you press the stop button, the pump switches off and the current measurement is frozen. To review the measurements, use the up and down arrow keys to scroll through the display. The up key cycles through measurements on the top line, whilst the down key changes the measurements shown on the bottom line. To print the measurements, align the infrared printer with the analyzer and press the print button. All of the measurement results will be printed out, together with the serial number of the analyzer, the time and date, and any company details you may have set on the analyzer. Remember to always check and empty the condensate trap before measuring. Once empty, make sure the plug is pushed back in so there is no air leakage into the measuring instrument. Regularly check the filter on the probe handle, which is really easy to do on the 310. If the filter is dirty, then throw it away for a new one. If it's wet but clean, you can fit a dry one and keep the old one to dry out.